Hi everyone, in this video you can see step by step how to create perfect UV mapping. The first step is in ZBrush. We have a high poly model. In this case you can see a mesh shaped like a primitive rock. We export this, and I recommend that you don't do it the way I did, but instead name it, for example, Rock Skork High. After that, we will retopologize it in Autodesk Maya.
2,000 years later.
After we have retopologized it, I recommend that you pull the low poly planes in a circular manner, because this way it will be easier to see how the low poly model is forming. After that, follow exactly step by step what I say and what I will show. Step 1. Once you have your low poly model and you have smoothed and conformed it, we then create the UVs, which is very simple. So the first step is to delete the UVs. You can find this in the UV menu under Delete UV. Step 2. From the front view, or facing your model, in the UV menu, choose Camera-Based. Sometimes I also use the UV checklist, but I won't show that now. If you want, I can present it in a separate video. Then comes Step 3. In the UV menu, choose Cut and Sew, then right-click and select Edge. At this point, you select where you want to cut your model. I recommend doing it along the edges, because it will be less noticeable. There will be no UV deformation. And any texture sliding will also be less visible if it happens. And at the beginning, there will definitely be some sliding. And finally, 2 simple steps. First, when you see the UV image of the separated shapes, go in and press the Ctrl and U keys at the same time. This unwraps those UVs. And finally, from here it's up to you what you set, whether you want UDIM-based UV mapping or not. If yes, go to the Modify menu and click on Layout. Set the resolution you need. For assets, I recommend a smaller resolution, for example 2048. And finally, choose how many UV tiles you want to place your work across. And that's it. You export this, then bring it into what I usually use, Substance Painter, import it there, set it to use UV tile layout, 2048 resolution, and bake it. Basically, here you need to experiment to see what works best for your model or your characters. What you will see is actually one of my own smart materials. You'll see how there is practically no visible sliding or error in the texture. That's all. Thank you for your attention. If you liked the video, there will be more tutorials, so don't worry. Subscribe so you get notified in time when new videos come out. Later, there will be talk about the game industry, techniques, so there will be everything here. Like the video? Check out the others as well. I wish you a successful new year. See you next time. Goodbye.